Hey y'all, so this is Vanity and this is going to be a talk through tutorial on how I got this makeup look. And yeah, I don't know what to call it. It's glittery, but yeah, whatever I call it, it'll be in the title. But yeah, stay tuned if you'd like to see how I got this look. I hope you enjoyed.
Make 10 spend to save 8, yo. Bad bitch just mad, no days, yo. I don't need no bitch, I'm straight, yo. I don't wanna cause you know she too fake, yo.
Okay, I started with my eyebrows already, and I'm priming my face using the Scandinavia makeup primer. And now I'm gonna go in with the Kat Von D Lock It foundation, and my color is Deep 74 Warm. And I like to do about 3 pumps when I'm going for like seriously full foundation coverage. And this is so pigmented and it is full coverage, so you really do not even need 3 pumps. But sometimes I just want like really full coverage, especially because this side of my face breaks out for some reason and the rest of my face doesn't. So I like to cover my blemishes. So because this foundation is so full coverage, I always set my eyebrows afterwards, just in case I get any foundation on my eyebrows. So I set my eyebrows using the e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara, and you can use either side. I use both sides, honestly. One is for your lashes and one is for your brows, but I use both sides to set my brows. And this is only $2 and I get mine from Target. You can get it from elf.com as well. Okay, and it really sets your eyebrows in place all day. And I try not to overly put product because it'll take away the actual color from your brows. So yeah, okay, so now that that's set, the next thing I usually do, I usually go in with my MAC Studio concealer in NC50, but because this is such full coverage, it already canceled out my dark circles, my dark lids, and my my blemishes on this side of my face. So I don't need to use this. So the next thing I do is I go forward with my highlighting, and I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Warm Sand. And everything out. And when I go under my eyes and blend it, I also take it above onto my lids, and that acts as a primer for when I put on my eyeshadow. Okay, I don't put anything here because it's already shiny on its own, as you can see, and I don't put anything here because I'm gonna apply highlighter there. Next up, I use the Ben Nye Luxury Banana Powder to set the highlighted areas, and it gets everywhere. That's the one thing I do hate about it. It gets everywhere. You can stop there, but me, I like to use the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder right on top, and I take the damp beauty blender and I dip it in using the tip, and then I just set underneath my eyes. okay? And I'm gonna leave it there until it is time for me to do the rest of my face. I like to leave it there while I'm working on my eyeshadow, just in case there's any fallout. I know a lot of people like to set their lids, but I don't like the way my makeup comes out when I set my lids first. I've tried it. It's just not something that is for me, but to each his own. There's no right or wrong when you're doing your makeup. In my opinion, you do whatever works for you. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bronze using my Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in Deep 4. And first thing I do is my contour on this side, and then I do my contour on this side. So the highlighting and the contour on my nose creates a bridge for me, because literally all I have is a nose. I have no bridge there. And I don't have to go all the way down because my nose is out here. My camera cut off, but yeah. Anyway, the next thing I'm going to use is my MICA Beauty Cosmetics primer, and I'm just going to put that on my lids. I like to still prime my lid again with something a little brighter, just in case I choose to use something bright on my lids, okay? So, damn, I used the wrong brush. So, I'm just going to apply it like that and kind of like blend it. So, I'm going to use my ColourPop shadows today. This is the 4 that I love together, okay? And I'll list the names of them down below because I really don't know, and I would have to take them out individually and look at the back. But I'm gonna start off, let me see, I'm gonna start off with this brown right here. And I'm gonna, this has so much fallout, so with this you definitely have to bake underneath. So I'm gonna put that as my transition color. And be noted that I am heavy-handed, so if you see me just applying product over and over, it is because that is me. I'm very, very heavy-handed. Like, I want everything to be extremely pigmented, and I want it to be perfectly on from my point of view. As you can see, it is really pigmented. I'm not having too much fallout because you just have to be light when you are going into each color. So you can see it's just a little fallout right here. It's not a lot. And just blow it away. So the next thing I'm gonna go into is this color right here, and it's like a berry color. I'm just gonna put that in my crease, and it's just a tad bit darker than the brown. It just has a little bit of a berry color to it. So now I'm gonna go in with the darkest color and I'm put that in my outer crease. And this is a very like plum berry color, so it's way more pigmented and darker than the other colors. And I'm just gonna put it in my outer crease. Okay, don't worry, I'm gonna go in again with the transition. I'm not adding any more product. I'm just gonna lightly go in and I'm gonna blend those colors together so that it doesn't look as harsh. I know the outside on this one can easily look harsh because of my cut, so I have to work harder on this side, as I told y'all before. So I think that's good. So now I'm gonna go in with this beautiful, because this is so freaking beautiful. Their shimmers are everything. So I'm gonna apply that to my lid, and this is such a pretty rose gold color. Look how pigmented that is. Like, I didn't add any like water, any spray or anything. You don't need that. It is so pigmented on its own, and this is like the most beautiful rose gold. They have to keep this color on deck. I think I'm gonna order me a few more because it's so gorgeous. Okay, and like I said, today I'm gonna be a little bit extra, and I'm gonna apply this glitter. This is the Stila Cosmetics Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, and this one is in Kitten Karma, and it is a pretty rose gold, and I just want to make this pop even more, so I'm just going to add some of this diamond dust, and it is liquid. Damn, that really, ooh, that's pretty. And I'm gonna keep my lids like basically shut. Like I'm gonna keep them down so that the glitter doesn't transfer to the top. And I'm gonna let it dry before I do anything else to my face. So I'll be right back after it dries. Okay, so I fanned it dry. I did zoom in a little bit more so you could see it a little better. But now I'm going to go in with this brush and I'm just going to blend out all the powder. So I'm going to use this Sephora Micro Smooth Baked Face Compact in Deep 60. And I'm just going to set the rest of my face. And I could go in and just blend out anywhere I put that powder, because I don't want to have like a harsh contour. I mean highlight, sorry. So I just go over that, blend that in so that it looks a little bit more natural. Okay, and I do the same thing with this side. I just set everything. Boom. All right, so now I'm gonna go into the Stila Perfect Cute palette, and this is the medium tan one, and I'm going to go in with this color on my cheeks. This is a blush, and I like to make my blush visible. You don't have to do that if you don't want to each his own, but I like it when you can see my blush. To me, this type of color looks really gorgeous on brown skin. Now I'm gonna do my bottom, my waterline, and I'm using this LANCOME pencil, and I will post the name in the bottom bar because I don't remember, and I've been using it for so long and sharpening the pencil so much that the name is gone. And it's so black and it's so pigmented and so soft. And I like to use black in my waterline because it just makes your eye color pop and your eye looks pop. So now I'm going to go into this back into, I think I'm going to do the brown, and I'm going to apply that to my bottom lash line. They are so loud right now. This is what happens when the weather gets nice. I'm just blending it. Okay, so I'm trying to think what other color. I think I want to go into the purple as well from here, this color, and I'm gonna put that on a little higher than the brown. Okay, so that's good. All right, so now I'm gonna go into the Stila Perfect Cute palette, and I'm gonna start off with this. No, I'm gonna use this as my highlight, and this is such a pretty I'm sorry, I'm using that to put in my tear ducts, and it's so pretty and so soft. If you're gonna do any like pink look or berry look, this is perfect for your tear ducts. Okay, I'm also going to be using it as my highlight today. I'm gonna put it on my nose, and as you can see, it just gives you a pretty glowy, just a pretty pink glow. It's not too pink, it's just enough pink. All right, now I'm gonna go into my Marc Jacobs Noir. This is mascara, and I'm gonna apply it to my top and my bottom lashes. Lord, woo! No mascara on my face. Whew. Okay, really quick, I'm gonna set my makeup using the Scandinavia the makeup finishing spray. I don't know what I should use on my lips today, but I think it should be something maybe like a berry color. Should I do like a berry color? I've never wore this. This is Hutch from ColourPop. I don't know if I should do this or if I should go a little darker and do the KYLIE Cosmetics Love Bite. I'm gonna do Love Bite. I hate the way this thing smells. It's like, it's just so strong. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit and put on my eyelashes. And for my lashes today, I'm gonna be using my Mink 3D Hair lashes that I got from eBay. These are my favorite lashes. But yeah, these are what I'll be putting on my eyes. So I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the finished look. I did decide to change my lip because I really wasn't feeling the KYLIE lip. Sometimes that one looks too dark in my opinion. When I'm not going for like that darkness, I don't like to put that one on. Okay, so I decided to change, and I have a lip combo of 3. So I put on the I can't remember what these are called. I think these are like the Swamp lip glosses or something like that. This is from LENA Lashes, and I put on BAYOU. This is so pigmented, so I put the tiniest bit and I smeared it all over my lips. I just smudged it in all over my lips. I put a little tiny bit down here and I just smudged it in. And then I used Dolly. This is a Buxom lip gloss, and Dolly, I put that on top. And then I topped it with this ColourPop Hello Kitty ultra glossy lip, and super cute. And this is where you see all the glitter. I think that is so freaking pretty, and even though it is not all the way the same tone of glitter as my eyelids, I think it complements the look a lot. So yeah, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know if y'all want more videos like this. I think I'm going to try to incorporate one makeup tutorial per month to start off with, because I don't really do tutorials on my channel too much because they don't get as many views as my other videos. But if I start to see a change, then I'll probably incorporate them a little bit more often. So let me know what y'all think about that. So yeah, I thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will speak to you in my next video. Bye y'all. Being this video was recorded in 2017, so much has changed as far as products, as far as applications. So I will be doing more new tutorials in 2018. I promise you, I've gotten an overwhelming amount of requests for makeup tutorials. So that is what I will be definitely bringing to my channel. So stay tuned. I thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.